When you hear the phrase selling a house as is, you might wonder, what does that actually mean? And is it even possible without a long, complicated process? The truth is, yes, it's absolutely possible. And for a lot of people, it's the best way forward. We work with homeowners all across Virginia, from Harrisonburg and Waynesboro to Stanton, Elkton, and Broadway. Who says things like, my house needs a lot of work. I don't have the time, the energy, or the money to fix it up. And if that's where you are, you're not alone. And you're not stuck. At Align Real Estate Solutions, we specialize in buying homes as is, meaning you don't have to make repairs, clean out the house, or even mow the lawn. Whether the home is outdated, has damage, or you've just inherited it and have no idea where to begin. We've seen it all. No judgment, no pressure, just solutions. Here's what that process looks like with us. We come take a look, no showings, no open houses, just a private walkthrough or photos if needed. We talk through your goals, your timeline, and then present real options, like a cash offer with a quick close, or in some cases, a creative structure that helps you walk away with more money in your pocket. And when we say as is, we mean it. Old roof, no problem. Peeling paint, doesn't scare us. Foundation cracks, we've bought homes like that right here in the Shenandoah Valley. What we care about most is making the process easy for you, so you can move forward without dragging the past behind you. So if you're in Stanton, Waynesboro, Newmarket, or anywhere in between, and you've been thinking, I'd sell this house if I didn't have to fix everything first. You don't. Let's talk. We're Align Real Estate Solutions. We're local, we're here in Virginia, and we're here to help you sell your house exactly as it is.